Deepa Vahi ma'am, our esteemed Vice Principal Academics, is a dynamic academic leader whose unwavering dedication to excellence has played a pivotal role in shaping the scholastic framework of our school. With her visionary approach and passion for fostering holistic education, she has consistently inspired both students and teachers to strive for their best.
Ma'am, it is an honor to have you amongst us today in this evening. I now request you to kindly come forward and share a few words of wisdom with all of us. May we have a huge round of applause in welcoming Deepa ma'am.
Respected Vice Chairperson Anjali Jaipuria ma'am, Professor Vinod Solanki ji, Principal Promni Chopra ma'am, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and our bright achievers. Vande Mataram to all. As you stand here basking in the glory of your success, I would like to share a valuable lesson that will help you throughout your journey. It is simple yet profound. The attitude that will serve you well in your future endeavors, and that is the attitude of what you call IDK. Can I have the full form of IDK? Yes, you all say, I don't know. It's a very important and honest confession, I would say. Why I don't know is the beginning of wisdom. You say, saying I don't know is not a weakness. It is a doorway. It means you are curious, you want to know, you are ready to learn, and your mind is open. And your ego is not in the way. As achievers, you have proven your ability to work hard, perform well, and succeed in a system that rewards excellence. But now, I urge you to go beyond performance towards depth. To go deep down, we will have to understand the difference between information, knowledge, and wisdom. Information is everywhere. It is raw, noisy, quick. Knowledge takes effort. It needs structure, focus, time. Wisdom goes further. It comes from experience, from silence, and from reflection. Information can be memorized. Knowledge must be understood. But wisdom must be lived. The mother who carried forward Shri Aurobindo's vision emphasized that education is not just for getting a job, but for growing into your higher self. She believed in integral education, education of the body, emotion, mind, soul, and spirit. So let me ask you, how much time have you spent this year mastering your mind? How much time have you spent this year mastering your emotions or understanding your inner nature? We are entering in an era where machines can write essays, paint pictures, diagnose illness, and even compose music. AI can do many things humans once did. But what it cannot do is to be human. It cannot feel with compassion. It cannot reflect with wisdom. It cannot evolve in consciousness. That is your gift, your power, your responsibility. Shri Aurobindo did not just talk about academic success. He spoke about spiritual evolution. That human beings are transitional species, meant to rise beyond ego towards something higher, more conscious, more aware, more divine. And that journey doesn't begin in labs or library. It begins within. Dear achievers, you have done brilliantly, but don't take this moment as your finish line. It's a milestone, yes. You have excelled in your fields. But the question is, what will you do with that excellence? Will you collect degrees or build character? Will you chase more trophies or seek more truth? Will you continue to consume information or strive to create meaning? The world already has enough fast thinkers. What it needs now is deep thinkers, and even more than that, wise beings. You have to strive for depth over breadth. It is tempting to know a little bit of everything, but world is not changed by dabblers. It is changed by those who choose to go deep. So, few suggestions from my side. Read full books, not just summaries. Ask questions that don't have quick answers. Let yourself sit in silence once in a while, without music, without phones, without distraction. And yes, from time to time, say, I don't know. Because the one who admits not knowing is already more aware than the one who pretends to know it all. Let us redefine what it means to be an achiever. A true achiever is the one who knows how to stay calm in chaos, chooses truth when it is inconvenient, listens deeply, reflects often, and lives with purpose, not just ambition. In the words of the mother, I quote, to know oneself and control oneself, that is the most important education, unquote. Dear students, as you step into the next chapter of your journey, take this with you. Don't settle for noise. Don't settle for surface. Don't settle for speed. Instead, pursue knowledge that transforms you, wisdom that humbles you, and learning that awakens you. You are already shining with achievement. Now it is a time to shine with awareness. Congratulations once again, and may your journey ahead be full of success, but with depth, clarity, joy, and wisdom. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Well, moving ahead. True excellence goes beyond academics. True excellence goes beyond academics. It is about versatility, dedication, and balanced achievement. Today, we proudly felicitate our all-rounders, students who have excelled in studies while shining in co-curricular pursuits, inspiring every single person with their commitment and dedication. To commence this prestigious segment, we take immense pride in inviting Fariha Mashood Khan, a student whose name is synonymous with versatility and excellence. When we talk about a true all-rounder, Fariha Didi's name shines really bright. She is a student who has carved her mark not just in academics but across every field of school life. Fariha Didi commands the football field as a captain, leads the hockey team to triumph, and secures championships in kho-kho and cricket, yet still finds time to excel in basketball, badminton, and even table tennis. With equal grace, she pens winning verses in poetry and crafts brilliance in creative writing. Her academic accomplishments are equally stellar, with consistent excellence in several competitions. What truly sets her apart is balance, the perfect harmony of intellect and athleticism, ambition and humility.
Some students don't just participate, they leave a mark everywhere they go. One moment they're leading up a sports team to victory, the next they're painting a masterpiece. Then anchoring an event with confidence and still managing to excel in academics. Today we celebrate yet another true embodiment of all-round excellence, Arna Singh. From the sports field to the art room, from classrooms to exhibition, she's given her best in everything she undertakes. Her academic excellence speaks for itself consistently, outstanding performances and qualification for national level exams and quizzes. Her creative brilliance is equally remarkable. Arna's artistry has earned her accolades in competitions like Solertia, CISC Art, Installation Art, and other exhibitions. Her work doesn't just display skill, it speaks, tells stories, and leaves an unforgettable impression. She has brought color and vibrancy to our school events in ways that words cannot capture. Beyond this, she has anchored major events and served on the student council, reflecting her leadership and dedication to the school community.